All right, next up here, we want to identify the slope and the y-intercept and whether the line is rising, falling, horizontal, or vertical. So on number 13 here, I see that my m is up here as negative 6 over 5, and so that's my slope. Is negative 6 over 5. It's very often a fraction, actually. The y-intercept is the one back here, so the y-intercept is 1, and this y equals mx plus b. And then the line would be falling because because anytime it has a negative slope, it's going to be falling. All right, so next up, number 14, same idea here. So the slope is 2 over 5, so we'll call that m. The y-intercept is back here, is negative 1 this time. And this one is going to be rising, and once again, that's all based on slope. So if the slope is positive, it's going to be rising. If it's negative, it's going to be falling. All right, next up, we're going to look at these ideas in the context of a word problem. So number 15 here, we're going to find the slope and the y-intercept. Now, on a word problem, the slope is always the continuing increase or decrease, whereas the y-intercept is always the beginning amount, the starting amount, and very often it's a one-time thing. The slope is kind of over and over and over again, and the y-intercept is the one-time thing. So in this case, it looks like the 95 is the y-intercept because it costs, the $95 is one-time payment, and then the $15 is the slope because for every player that comes in, I'm going to have to keep paying 15 more, 15 more, 15 more. So that's the continuing increase, and so that's that. All right, same idea here on number 16. So for this one, it says Tustin Cheers recycling aluminum cans. They have 125 pounds already, and they're planning on collecting 25 more pounds per week. So it looks like here the 25 pounds per week is going to be our slope because it's over and over and over again. They're going to keep collecting 25 pounds more every week, whereas the 125 is our beginning amount, so that's the y-intercept. Our starting amount is going to be $95. Or sorry, not $95, 125 pounds. I don't know where I came up with that.